Hi all, the Cisco SD-WAN Manager provides an extensive overview of monitoring and analytics data, delivering comprehensive network visibility and AI/ML driven insights to enable actionable outcomes. In this video, we will demonstrate how to troubleshoot application performance issues. Let's begin. Once you log in into the SD-WAN Manager, you will notice the overview dashboard, which now displays top 20 applications by usage and their health. For instance, here we have 46 applications with around 900 MB of application traffic utilization for last 24 hours. Let's consider a common scenario where users are experiencing slowness with particular application in last 24 hours. For this demo, our application of interest is WebEx Meeting. So we will click on it to investigate further. The system now displays a geographic map showing all the sites currently utilizing the WebEx Meeting application. In this example, we have two sites, one in Seattle, another in San Jose. Notice the color coding on the map. It's already indicating a potential problem with WebEx Meeting across these two sites. Let's assume the complaint originated from Seattle's site. The dashboard shows the application health and circuits being used, which helps to visually confirm if application traffic is flowing over the desired circuits or not. Here we see two available circuits, an MPLS link and private WAN link. While both circuits are generally in use, there are specific times when traffic is exclusively routed over the private link. We can also observe the utilization trends, seeing when traffic was heavier on the private versus the MPLS circuit. Next, let's explore the app flow and SLA violations widgets. For applications like WebEx Meeting, an application-aware routing policy is configured to monitor the path's performance and ensure traffic adheres to predefined SLAs. If traffic fails to meet these SLAs, an SLA violation event is logged. The dashboard shows the total flows and SLA violations for the selected 1 hour time period. Let's select a specific granular window, say Monday at 9 AM, which aligns with the user complaints of slowness for WebEx traffic. For this specific window, we can see how traffic is flowing. For example, traffic is flowing from Seattle side to San Jose. If traffic is destined to internet, you will see SAS as the remote endpoint, indicating traffic is going to internet from that site. To understand why these issues are happening, let's click on a specific remote site of interest, example San Jose, to analyze the traffic flow from Seattle to San Jose and identify the paths used. We can see two paths, MPLS and private. While MPLS path performs well, the private path shows poor application performance. There are two tunnels established between Seattle and San Jose. The private one is of a particular interest due to its very low QoE score. By clicking on the path trace icon next to that specific tunnel, we can access the underlay path using underlay discovery feature. In this lab environment, there is one hop between sites. In a production environment, you might see many hops across different geographies. For each hop, we can retrieve metrics like latency. Let's examine the segments. The first segment from the local site to the underlay hop shows less than 1 milliseconds of latency. However, the next segment from the underlay hop to remote site shows a significant latency of 300 to 400 milliseconds. This immediately tells us the problem lies between the underlay hop and the remote site, potentially due to high spike in latency on the underlay hop's egress interface. This allows us to identify the exact hop causing the slowness for WebEx traffic. Additionally, network operators can leverage Thousand Eyes agent that can be hosted on secure routers to uncover similar issues on the underlay traffic that is destined to internet. With just a few clicks, the Cisco SD-WAN Manager rich analytics data on applications empowers network operators to quickly identify, diagnose, and pinpoint the root cause of application performance issues, ensuring an optimal user experience. Thank you for watching this demo.